Hey everybody, welcome back to Extreme Heat Pete Reviews. I am Extreme Heat Pete. I'm here today to do a snack review, and the snack review comes from Walker's Crisps, and these are the new limited edition Monster Munch pickled onion flavoured crisps. Now, all you familiar with Monster Munch, they are claw-shaped crisps that Walkers have teamed up and have made a limited edition normal crisp version. So it's going to be interesting to see. I have reviewed the other two flavours in the limited edition range, which was the Doritos Chili Heatwave and the What's It's flavoured ones. The What's It flavoured ones weren't too bad. The Chili Heatwave Doritos, they were a big thumbs down for me. I did not enjoy them whatsoever. Now this is a 65 gram pack. I paid £1 in my, well, I didn't pay £1, but LG from Ethanol Gaming Community paid £1 for my local Sparleys, and normally priced up as at £1.25 a packet, but we got them for £1. So not too bad. Looks like Walker's, tastes like pickled onion Monster Munch. Ridiculously wonderful. Really. Okay, so we'll see about that, whether it is ridiculously wonderful. You can check out Walker's Crisps at walkers.co.uk. The link in the description will be, the link to that website will be in the description below. Did you know 100% quality ingredients, fresh taste guaranteed, no MSG, artificial colours or preservatives. Calories per 100 gram serving is 196 calories per 100 gram serving. Well, not too bad for a potato chip, I suppose. But let's see if I've got a bag of air. Because normally with crisps you get more. Oh no. No, it's a good half a bag full. Just not too bad. Smell wise, ooh, they smell really pickled onion. Look at that. Get a decent amount in there, decent sized ones. That smells really pickled oniony. But a standard potato chip. You know what? I actually like these. These are really nice. You got the traditional pickled onion flavour, which you get with your pickled onion Monster Munch. A nice good zing of that pickle, a nice good taste of the onion. I really don't know why some people are slating these, because these are probably, I have to say, the best out of the three flavours which Walkers have done for the limited edition. Really tasty. Well, these would be lovely in a cheese and crisp sandwich. Put these as your flavoured crisps in your sandwich with a bit of cheese, a bit of salad cream, and away you go. Really good. The quality of the crisp is really good too. And you get nice even shapes, nice thickness to them, great crunch, nice coating. Definitely a winner. I'll run you through some ingredients as well. So we've got ingredients: potatoes, no way because it's a potato chip, sunflower oil, pickled onion seasoning, flavourings, onion powder, salt, acid, citric acid, sugar, potassium chloride, mustard seed, mustard as an allergen. And that's it. Some pretty simple ingredients too. But really what gets me, it says potatoes, may contain potatoes. It's a potato chip. It contains potatoes. Duh. But yeah, really, really, really good. Thoroughly enjoyed that. Definitely go out and buy some more of these ones, because out of the 3 flavours I've just said, my favourite. I'm going to save these for a cheese and pickled onion crisp sandwich for my lunch today. I'm looking forward to it. And please remember to give me a big thumbs up, say you enjoyed this video. Please share with your family. Smash that red button, turn it grey. You know what to do. Keep on subscribing for more amazing product reviews and sauce reviews. And look at my setup behind me. What a setup I've got now. This is 2 angles you'll see on my videos. The live shows you'll see it at a different angle, but this is from a pre-recorded angle. I'm surrounded by lovely tasting sauces and some pretty nasty ones as well. Oh, a really nasty one right there. That all be revealed in another video. But anyway, thanks ever so much for watching. I have been Extreme Heat Pete, and I will catch you all in the next video. Oh, please remember to check out MC Knowledge YouTube channel. He plays Minecraft. He's my son. He plays Minecraft. He knows everything you need to know about it. So go and check out MC Knowledge. Drop him a like, subscribe and a share. Also check out FNL Gaming Community for all your online gaming needs and VR gaming needs. He's got some great content out at the moment, so please go check him out. Also check out the Idiot Files. He's also got some great content out at the moment, the Scoville Unit. And remember to tune into my live Sunday show, which is Sunday Night Heat, with me, Alex and Chris, where we'll be bringing you top guests, top reviews, top challenges, top news, you name it. We've all got it in one show, so please check that out. And that'll be airing every 2 weeks on this channel. But thanks ever so much for watching. I've been Extreme Pete. See you later. Bye.